అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు అజయ్ అమన్. నేను ఛత్తీస్గఢ్ నుంచి వచ్చాను. సో నాకు తెలుగు కొంచెం కష్టం, సో ఐ టాక్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్. సో ఐఎమ్ అ యాక్టర్. సో యాక్చువల్లీ I came all the way from Chhattisgarh here for my career. That's all, and nothing else. I haven't came here for studies and all. Actually, during my struggle, I was going all auditions and meeting directors and roaming around with the people. And one of my while seeing this my struggle, one of my family friend Pratap sir, he suggested me that there is an audition in Bharatam Creations. Just go there and give your audition. So I went. I have given my audition. So while giving my audition, the director was like, okay. So I went back. He called me again. I've given my audition again with different dialogue. That time he was okay. I went back. He called me again. Third time I came. I've given my audition again. He said, okay, go man, I'll call you. I went back. The fourth time he called me and I came, and he's given me a script. That's a movie script. And I performed and he liked. But still he said, go man, I will tell you, I'll call you. So I went. So he said tomorrow I will call you, but I haven't got any call tomorrow. So Yellundi he called me and he said, Aman, you're selected. Just come to the office. We'll meet. I went to the office and he said, this is a movie called Ache Pasodu which you are going to make. So you have a role. You have an important role. Important role. Important role. He said you have an important role. So would you like to do and everything? He said, and the big thing is that they said how much you will charge. Really? The people before people were asking me 10 lakh, if you want to play a hero role, you have to pay 10 lakh, 5 lakh, 15 lakhs. I was thinking, what the hell? But they asked me my remuneration, how much you will charge. So that was the biggest and happiest part of my life, that I will be paid for my dedication, for my talent. So that is the really biggest part. And I'm the hero of the movie, but till I don't know that I'm the hero, he always said that you're doing the important role, because our director sir is a very down to, his thinking is different. So everybody is working hard behind the camera. Everybody is working hard. Our director, cinematographer, everybody, producer, everybody is working hard. So after seeing that I realized that movie is not easy. Making a movie is not easy. It's the biggest task. It's the biggest task. So I have to work hard, like how they are working. So after seeing that, my director and my cinematographer was really supportive, and my writer Ishwar sir, Pratap sir, everybody is helping me to fight because it's my first movie, and everything is new for me. So I was daily I'm exploring something else, something different, some difficulties, like shooting in the full of sun in March, April, in the summer season shooting. It's really tough when you're shooting for song, or shooting for action scene, or shooting for something else. So it's tough, and because you have to struggle with sun the whole day, and not only me, the whole cast, the whole direction team, the director, cinematographer, everybody is struggling with the sun, and we, after struggling with all the difficulties, we made it. And Ache Pasodu, the movie was complete, shooting was complete. All are happy that shooting is complete, our editing is complete, everything is complete, and now we are ready with theaters. So on 21st December, Sri Mayuri Theatre, RTC Crossroads, the main theatre, we are going to be, like, I don't have words for that, because I'm really nervous for that day.
కష్టపడమేంటి ఈ పాస్ అవడమేంట్రా